Hello and welcome to the show. Today and for the next couple of weeks, welcome to the ultimate series that's going to teach you how to create your very own YouTube channel in 2018. A lot of tutorials coming up in this series will also work in 2019, 2020 and furthermore, but I really want to concentrate on what is going on right now in 2018 and really help you to launch or improve your YouTube channel. So without further ado, let's get into video number 1. This is how you actually create your YouTube channel.
Veena V.
Okay, oh, this is exciting. Right, first thing we need to do is go to youtube.com. And then on the right hand side, we're going to click on sign in. Do bear in mind that I'm using Google Chrome. So if you're using Safari, this may vary slightly, but yeah, it should all be very similar. So right hand side, we're going to go sign in. Now, if you've already got a Gmail account, you can use that for your YouTube channel. But what I'm going to do, I want to keep things separate. So I'm going to go create account and get a brand new Gmail account, which is then linked to your YouTube channel. So first name, Team A, I'm going to do this for you. So Team A. Then what you need to do is put your current email address in or create a Gmail account. To be honest, I think you should just create a brand new Gmail account because not only then can you manage your YouTube channel from it, it's just easier. You can access things like Google Drive, Google Photos, which we will cover in an upcoming video. So create a Gmail account. And then I'm going to call this teama@gmail.com. I'm really surprised that no one has taken that. That is odd. But anyway, usually an error message will come up if your email address that you want has already been taken. Then we're going to put the password in there. Okay, then we're going to go next. There we go. Look, sorry, your username must be between 6 and 30 characters long. So I'm going to put official Team A. And then click next. Oh, the user. This is where we could take a long time. So I'm going to try different combinations here and you'll need to do this as well if, like me, your username has been taken. Okay, hello, this is Veena from the future. As you can see, I'm currently editing this video for you. Remember that your username for your Gmail account is different to the username of your YouTube channel. So do not worry too much what your Gmail address is going to be, because we can change the username for your YouTube channel at any point. So just bear that in mind. Okay, after many different variations, I've finally done this as my email address, veenateama@gmail.com, and that's worked. No one else has that Gmail address. Right, make sure you have your phone on you because now Google will need to send you a code so they can verify that you're a human and you're not a robot trying to set up a Gmail account. So I want to put my phone number in here and then I'm going to click on next. Right, this is why you need your phone because now Google have sent me a code on that number and I just need to pop that in. And then we're going to press verify. Add in a recovery email address or a current email address in case you get locked out of this account. Okay, and now we need to fill in your birthday and your gender here as well. And then because you've given Google your mobile phone number, you can now receive video calls and messages and use other services. I don't need that, so I'm just going to press skip. Then accept the terms. Maybe you should actually read that. And then we're going to go create account and then confirm. Okay, now we're back to youtube.com and now we can sign in. This is exciting. And there we go. We've got our Gmail and YouTube account now, and now we're going to go up here where we can see this picture. We're going to click on it, and then we're going to click on My Channel. Okay, right, now on this page, use YouTube as. We actually want to go here where it says use a business or other name. So we're going to click on that. Brand account name, I'm going to call this channel Team A. So if you're running a business, you put your business name there. If you're developing your personal brand, you put your name there. But this, I've got so many YouTube channels and this tutorial is for you. So I'm just going to call this Team A because we are Team A. Now, if you're wondering why I chose to create a business YouTube channel rather than just keep things a bit more simple and use my personal account, click the link that pops up right now and I'll explain to you all the differences from using a personal YouTube account and a business YouTube account. But right now it is time to click create. Oh my God, we have done it. Here we go. This is the Team A YouTube channel. All right, you've done it. Okay, now we're going to click on Customize Channel up here on the top right. Okay, this is where the magic happens. This is where this is what our channel currently looks like. This is not a good looking channel at all, remember. First impressions do count, whether we like it or not. We need to make sure that people understand what our YouTube channel is about as soon as we get there. So in the next tutorials coming up in this brand new series on how to create your YouTube channel, we're going to go through adding your profile picture, cover art, your channel description, plus much more. But while we're here, let's click on this little little cog on the right hand side, and here is some more options for you here. You can choose if you want to keep your liked videos private. I always set that on. Keep my subscriptions private, you can do that as well. You just can mess around with all of this over here. Customize the layout of your channel. Obviously we want to customize it. Say if you're a bit worried about people coming to your channel and not writing nice comments, what you can do is actually switch that off for now. So no one can comment on your channel at the moment. I'm going to keep that on, but you can keep that off if you do not want the discussion tab. That's not how to switch off comments from your videos. That's the discussion tab on your channel. So feel free to click that off. And then I'm just going to click save on that. There we go. Now, by going over here and making sure we've customized the channel, can you see what's popped up now? We can now actually add sections to our homepage. This bit here is a massive mistake I see by so many new YouTubers. They don't allow the option to customize your channel, and then you can't customize your homepage. Remember, with our YouTube channel, and as you add videos, we want to make it so easy for when people come to our channel. You spent all that hard work making someone watch some of your videos. They've now clicked on your channel. If your front store, if your homepage is not clear, if you're not showing people what value you bring to them, they aren't going to subscribe and they're just going to click off, okay? So make sure you are customizing your channel. And again, in future videos in this playlist, we will be able to add sections to your homepage. And while we're here, let's just do this now. Add a featured channel. So I want to be promoting my other YouTube channels. So I'm going to put add channel and to channel name. So this channel, obviously, because you're watching it, is where I give you the latest YouTube tips and confidence building as well. So we're going to add in the username, official Veena V, and click add. There we go. I'm also going to add in my other channel. Oh, it's Mum to Millionaire, but I've got a different username. VI Pregnancy, there we go. And I've got another YouTube channel, Real Mauritius, all about the paradise island of Mauritius. So I'm going to click add. There we go, there's all my featured channels. Also, if we hover above, we can also change the order of these channels if you want. Remember, you can also add in, I'm being a little bit selfish here, I'm not adding in anyone else's channel, but you guys, this is going to be our channel together. I'm going to be launching a membership group, a really special membership group very soon. So you guys, I'm going to be featuring you as well. So I'm going to add in your usernames and feature your channels as well. So remember, you don't have to just be featuring yourself. It's actually good to feature other people as well. But like I said, I cut myself off. You can also rearrange the channels here. And also, if we don't want one of them, they're not being nice to us anymore, we can delete. There you go, you can delete it. But let me just add it back in. Very simple to add and delete people there as well. Okay, another cool thing about this section is you don't have to call it featured channels. You can actually write another title there. So you could be like, watch my besties, or check out, if you run a business, check out my business pals, or whatever your language is, you can put that in there. But I'm going to put this as check out my other channels, and then make sure you press done. And there we go. That will be displayed on the homepage of your YouTube channel. And let me just subscribe to myself as well. Your subscription will be publicly shared on your channel, and I want to make my subscriptions private. Again, if you want to show who you're subscribing to, you just press OK, but I'm going to make my subscriptions private. For now, I can always change that later on. I'm going to subscribe to all my channels because that's what we can do. There we go. Mate, beautiful butterfly, give yourself a high five. You've done it. You've conquered the first step of actually setting up your YouTube channel. Well done. And make sure that you subscribe to this channel, because coming up in this series, I want to take you through the whole process. And I just can't wait to get to know you. If this video helped you, if you're looking forward to what's coming up, and more importantly, if you've got any questions you need help with, you want me to make a specific tutorial, comment below and I will try my best to fit it in this brand new series right here. I didn't even introduce myself at the beginning of the video. Hello, my name is Veena V, and this channel is all about helping you to boost your confidence and creativity with making your very own YouTube videos. If you want to join Team A, you want to get notified every time I upload a brand new video, click there to subscribe. Team A is all about Team Action and Team Accelerate, and click there to watch the playlist of this series on how to create your YouTube channel this year. You are amazing. Keep going. You've conquered the first step, and I can't wait to see you in the next video.